Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Viewers, in front of you right now, Epson L4160 Eco Tank printer. And what is the issue with this printer? If I will give print test page from my laptop, I want to show you that the quality of the output. Let's see. Just hold on. Okay, it started printing. Okay, it took the paper, and you can see it's printing totally blank page, white page. There is no text, no color, no black, no color is printing. So how to fix this problem? There are two or three ways, because this printer has the dashboard over here, front panel. You can use through this also, but I will tell you the easiest way. From your computer you have to do what? If I will show you my laptop screen, right click on the printer icon, then go to printing preferences, and then maintenance tab, and here you will find power cleaning option. Click on power cleaning. One box will appear. Let it complete. Let it appear, the box. Okay, here we go. Press next. Check these two boxes and then press next and press start. Okay, you can see it started power cleaning process. It will consume around 5 to 7 minutes, and then the process will complete. Then we will see the print quality. Okay, as you can see, the power cleaning is completed and printer is in stable state now. So I will do now give we'll right click on the printer icon, go to printer properties, then we'll click on print test page to make sure that printer is working fine or not. So as you can see, after the power cleaning process, before it was printing totally white page and now it's printing very fine. Okay, hope you understand the method. We'll explain again now. Just you have to do what? Right click on the printer icon, go to printing preferences, and then here is maintenance tab. Click on maintenance tab and you will find this option over here, power cleaning. If there is no maintenance tab, it means in your computer the official driver is not installed. You have to install official driver from the Epson website, then you will get the option over here, then go for power cleaning process. Hope you understand the method. If you have any question regarding this model or any other model, you can ask me in the comments. I will reply your questions. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.